If you want to redirect a user after they submit a form on your Squarespace website, it's super easy to do. But this is something that people miss, or they don't even realize that you can do. So I actually have this set up on my own website. When someone submits a form, they will be automatically redirected to a thank you page. That thank you page has like some reviews on, it has, I think, maybe some portfolio items, and then it prompts the visitor to book in a call, because that is the goal of our site, is to have people book in a call, come on, we'll do a consult, and then obviously we hopefully push forward into a project. Having this sort of automatic redirect keeps people in your ecosystem, and it's super useful if you want to use it on your site. Whatever it is that you're selling or whatever your goal is, having someone not just submit a form and have the thank you message appear, having them continue their journey on your website is a really, really important thing to try and do. Even if most people don't do it, just trying to keep a few people on and ideally getting them to whatever that next stage is for you, so whatever the equivalent is to booking a call, is absolutely worth it. So I'll show you how to do it really quickly. We're on the contact page of the site here, and if we go into edit, we can go down and find our form. And if we double click on the form and then we go to post submit, so people don't really tend to scroll down here, but if you click on post submit, you'll see message and redirect. Now, if we click on redirect, this is where we have the redirect link. So click in here, and you can actually go, if you want, you can go to somewhere external. So if you wanted to send someone directly to the call booking, you can do that. I don't like to do that. That feels a little bit like you're forcing someone's hand. So I will usually redirect to, you can set up a thank you page in here. If you just want to keep people on the site, you could send them to a blog. So for instance, on here, or we've got a gallery on this website. So let's click gallery. We don't need to open that up in a new tab because it's on the same site. And there we go. Now I'll show you how this looks here. If we go in, and I'll fill in these details like so, and submit. It's going to submit the form, and then it's going to redirect me within the site, and it will take me to the gallery. This is an interior design website. It's going to show me a little bit more of the work whilst I wait for the business to come back to me for my query. I can check out more of their work. So as you can see, it's got so many different use cases, and hopefully this has been helpful. If it has, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.